Okay, for the first problem, we're going to distribute. So that's square root when I come in here and multiply. That first one's going to be 4 square root of 15. And then when I come in here and I multiply again on the second term, that 2, since it's on the outside, I keep. And then underneath here, this is where I multiply 5 times 15. That gives you 75. So then 15, the only way you can break down 15 is 5 by 3. And since you don't have 2 of each of them, you can't do anything with them. So that's not very helpful in this case. Over here, when I break that down, I know that's 25 times 3. And 25, I can take the square root of that. And the square root of 25 comes out to be 5. This negative 2, it's still out there in the front also. That just leaves the square root of 3. And then in the front, I've got the 4 square root of 15, which I cannot do anything with it. So then I just clean everything up and I should be done. 4 square root of 15 minus 10, because I multiplied, and then square root of 3. And that should give me the final answer on that one. Then if we come to 42, I'm going to do the exact same process. So I'm going to distribute here first. So the numbers on the outside I multiply. So that's going to give me 5 times 5 is 25 negative. Then I do the numbers underneath that square root. So that's going to give me 50 underneath there. Then I'm going to do this distributive over here. And that 5 times 5 also gives me 25. But then I just keep that square root of 5 back there. Now the next thing I do is I break down this 50. 50, I know I can do 25 times 2. And again, that comes out. The square root of 25 is 5. I still keep this square root of 25 here. Or not square root, sorry. The negative square root, or negative 25 times 5. Square root of 2 is left here. Plus 25 square root of 5. So then I just multiply these two together, and that's going to give me my final answer for this one. And that's going to be a negative 125 square root of 2 plus 25 square root of 5. And that should be my final answer there. And then on this very, very last one here, I did pretty much do the exact same thing. So first distributive, I got 3 square root of 3 times square root of 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then I come over here, and I have a plus, and then since 2 and 3 are on the outside, that's where the 6 comes from. And then I just attach that square root of 3. Come in here, and there's my negative 4 square root of 3. And then right here gives me my negative 8. So, the square root of 9 is 3. That comes 3 times 3. Then I've got 6 minus 4. And since both of them have the square root, I can combine them. So that'll give me 2 square roots of 3 minus 8. Finally, I got right here 3 times 3. That's 9. So I can combine this 9 minus 8, which gives me 1. And then I just keep this part right here. And that is how we finish it.